Hi everyone, it's Catherine again here with Coupon Card Club. Just here with a quick unboxing video that I wanted to do about Influencer. Now Influencer, they are like a company, like this is the box came in. They're a company that sends you like free products, coupons, all different kinds of things. And you can get like really good deals on stuff and test products before they even hit the market, or even products that have been revamped. So it's really exciting, and I can't wait to show you guys what I'm going to be getting in my box. So let's just get right into it. So first of all, I'm going to show you guys. This is the box that I got. Influencer, people be proud, be an influencer. So I had signed up for it probably like last year or the year before, and I've been a part of this program for pretty much a long time, and they're really good to me. I usually get boxes either once a month or every 2 months, depending on how active I am with participating with doing my reviews, writing blog posts, and different stuff like that. So I really like it. Okay, so it's called the Back to Basics Vox Box. So they send you like this little introduction card, and they give you like different stuff that you can go over. So one of the things they put in there is the Suave Dry Spray Antidepressant Deodorant, which usually retails about $4.49. There's the Voxbox toy. I'm excited about that. Sunny D, the Tanky Original. My son is gonna love that, but I might keep it for myself. The next is the Crispy Green Fruit Single Bag, which I know what that is. The Water Boost Hydration Booster, the Main Magic Primer, and the last but not least is the Dove Care, the Elements, Minerals, Sage, and Antidepressant Dry Spray. So I'm really excited about this. I did also get a little Kewpies. Ooh, I love Kewpies. So they gave us a coupon for Simple. This is like the water cleanser that you get, that you use for wiping off your makeup. I don't know if you can see it too well. The camera, sometimes the lighting is really bad. So you can get it. It's available at CVS. We usually get these coupons when we get the Unilever in our products. Oh, and this is just a dog photo treat where you can, like a little picture frame where you can put for your dog. I guess that was by the Box people. It's really cool. I really like that. And of course, the Eva NYC. This is just like a marketing flyer. It's no coupon. They usually do send the Eva coupons in the boxes that I usually receive. So let's start off. Okay, so this is the Crispy Green. Our promise, each bag is crispy green fruit, contains only one ingredient. Fruits, every bite is backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee, which includes no questions asked, no hassle-free return policy. So it is kosher, dairy-free, peanut-free, tree nut-free, gluten-free. It's vegan and no added sugar. So I'm guessing that because it does have fruits in it, it has the natural sugars of the fruits. They're not going to add any other extra fruits that are any extra sugars into the product. So it looks pretty good. It's definitely something I'm excited to try out. If you guys want me to have, I guess like a try video or a mukbang, is that what it's called now? It's like you eat and talk, whatever. I don't know. Just let me know in the comments down below. Okay, next. Oh, this is the bag. Okay, so this is the backpack for the Bark box. Inside is a bowl. Oh, there's a little bowl, and it has bark on the bag, and then it has like little symbols. I think it's for a fraternity that does use the dog, if I'm not mistaken, and they do like the little roof thing there. I'm not too sure, but I think that's what it is. Don't quote me on that. How do you open this thing? I'm not too sure. I will figure it out one day. I know it's in here. I feel it. But opening it is another issue. Let me see if it has it on the tag. Want more? Blah, blah, blah. Here's the ball inside the bag. I wonder how you do it. Well, I'll figure out, let you guys know how I'm supposed to open this thing, because it looks like I can't open it. I don't know what's going on. I do feel the ball in there. Oh, I guess you're supposed to bite it through the bag. Oh, okay. Well, yeah, it's cute. You put it on your wrist to travel with it, and then when he wants to bark it, you just squeeze it and stuff like that. But it is cool. I can't wait. I do have a dog, so it does work out. His name is Jack. He's a mixture of a Yorkie and a mini pincher. So he's a cutie pie. My little cutie pie. All right. So next is the Suave Dry Spray, Instant Dry 48 Hour Protection, the Coconut Kiss. See, a lot of companies now have been crossing over into this whole coconut wave because they figured out, I don't know if the lighting is good. Okay, because they figured out that, you know, coconut is really good for you, and a lot of people are just on that wave now. It does come from the islands. People who are from the islands, like my parents, they use coconut for everything, like everything from your hair, your body, your food. Coconut oil is, it's like the miracle drug. That and ginger. So yeah, you just have to be careful. It does have 23.3% of aluminum in it. That is kind of high, so I will still try it out. I'm gonna let you guys know how the outcome was. If it was detrimental to my pits, I'll let you guys know. Alright. Then they have the Dove men's spray. Now, I'm a little weary about this one because this does say it's new. New feel refreshing. This has 20.2 aluminum in it. My husband had tried this the last time from the Dove Men Challenge because they did provide him with his own box. And it still was very irritable on his underarms. So I don't know if he's going to be willing to try it again. It does say non-irritation though. It does say it on the bottle. If you guys can see it, can you see it? No. Okay. Yeah, but it does say non-irritation, so there could be a possibility that just by them lowering the amount of aluminum that was in there, that it could be better for him. Ooh, they did put it in there. Yum. Okay, so next up is the Simple Hydration Booster with minerals and plant extracts. Ooh, sensitive skin experts, no perfume. I love it. Okay, try to get it so it's not, so you guys can see it. It is a pretty small little situation, but that's okay because we just basically test the products, get the products for free, and you get it usually before it hits the market. So it's really, really good. Adds hydration, primer layer at a small amount all over your face before your daily moisturizer. So it just gives you a little extra boost, just in case you have products that you like. And you know it doesn't give you enough moisture, but you still like the products because you like the price, you like the smell of it. This is actually really good for you to add on to your moisturizer to boost up your skin. Alright, next is Sunny D. They put it in a little individual bag. That's so cute, just in case it doesn't spill out. I feel like somebody works there that is a mom, because that is something that I would do. I would just put it in a Ziploc bag. Like, no, guys, we need to put this juice in a Ziploc bag. Yeah, but so it's just the regular size Sunny D, Sunny D, and it's just giving you, you know, the regular tangy, original citrus punch that we're all used to. Growing up, I loved using Sunny D. I'm not too sure too much now. I haven't really had Sunny Delight in a very long time because I think now it's a little too sweet for me. But I will test it out and let you guys know if I can still handle it. All right, and last but not least, one of my favorite products is the Eva. I think it's 1 in 10 primer. the Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. They have the argan oil and sunflower seed oil. I've already had tested this before, but they might be revamping it again because there was a little problem where it was giving me a little bit of dryness um, after a few hours of being in my hair. Maybe they definitely revamped it because usually that's what they do. They revamp the products and they throw it in there and then they have you guys test it. So as you can see, my hair is very natural, so it gets dry really, really quickly. So certain products just need to have extra moisture in it in order for me to use it. There's no shade towards a lot of the other products that don't do that. But you know, I gotta put my hair first. So thank you guys for watching me do this little unboxing video. I should have some coupon videos coming up. I have been doing some shopping, and I'm so sorry, guys. I haven't been able to put up my hauls. It's just life has been getting really busy and packed up. But if you guys are available and you're in the New York City area, every Tuesday night I have a meeting. Just send me a quick email at couponcartclub@gmail.com. Okay, everyone. I'll see you soon. Bye.